Nothing ruins time spent outdoors like an entourage of pesky mosquitoes chowing down on your arms and legs. Whether you're enjoying a picnic, hiking through the woods, or simply relaxing in your backyard, these tiny pests can turn a pleasant day into an itchy nightmare. Sure, bug spray is great, but between the various active ingredients and concentrations, it's hard to know what truly works, let alone find a spray that doesn't smell like a chemistry lab or make you feel like you took a dip in a vat of oil. The choices can be overwhelming, with some sprays promising long-lasting protection while others boast natural ingredients. That's why we went hands-on with bug repellents to test how they feel, how they smell, and everything else you'd want to know before you use one. We wanted to find out which products live up to their claims and which ones fall short. Our team tested a variety of repellents in different environments to see how they perform in real-world conditions. We also consulted with multiple experts to ensure that we included repellents that are effective at, repelling bugs. These experts provided insights into the science behind the ingredients and how they work to keep mosquitoes and other insects at bay. Their knowledge helped us understand what makes a repellent truly effective. From the woods to the beach, we put these repellents through the ultimate test, so you don't have to. We wanted to make sure that no matter where you are, you can find a repellent that works for you. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just spending a day at the beach, we've got you covered. We considered everything from effectiveness and scent to application and portability. We know that a good bug repellent needs to be easy to use and convenient to carry with you. That's why we looked at how easy it is to apply each product and how portable it is for on-the-go protection. Whether you're looking for a DEET-Free option or the strongest protection available, we've got you covered. We understand that everyone has different needs and preferences when it comes to bug repellents, so we made sure to include a variety of options to suit every situation. Let's dive into the top 30 bug repellents of 2025. We've done the research and testing so you can make an informed choice and enjoy your time outdoors without the hassle of pesky bugs. Get ready to discover the best products to keep you protected all year round. Kicking off our list at number 1 is Proven Insect Repellent Spray. This little bottle is a game changer for anyone who loves the outdoors. This compact spray is perfect for tossing in your backpack or even your pocket, making it incredibly convenient to carry around wherever you go, ensuring you're always prepared for those pesky mosquitoes. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just enjoying a picnic, this spray has got you covered. Don't let its size fool you. This little guy packs a punch. It's small but mighty, offering powerful protection against a variety of insects. One of the things we love most about Proven is its scentless formula. You can apply it without worrying about that strong, unpleasant chemical smell. You won't be hit with that overwhelming chemical odor that many bug sprays have. This makes it perfect for social gatherings where you don't want to be the person everyone avoids. It's also incredibly effective, keeping those pesky insects at bay for hours. You can enjoy your outdoor activities without constantly swatting away bugs. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss bug repellent, Proven is a fantastic choice. It's easy to use, highly effective, and perfect for any outdoor adventure. Don't leave home without it. Coming in at number 2 is Coleman's SkinSmart DEET-Free Insect Repellent. This repellent is a great option for those with sensitive skin or for families with young children. It's DEET-Free, relying instead on a plant-based formula to keep the bugs away. We found that the SkinSmart spray provided a nice, even coverage and didn't feel greasy or sticky on the skin. The only downside? The bottle is a bit bulky, so it might not be the best option for packing light. At number 3, we have Cutter Backwards Insect Repellent. This repellent is designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts who need maximum protection. With a high concentration of DEET, it's incredibly effective against even the most aggressive mosquitoes and ticks. While it does have a bit of a scent, it's not overpowering like some other DEET-heavy repellents. We also appreciated the large nozzle, which made for quick and easy application. Chapter 4. Grand Tongo Town and Jungle Protection Insect Repellent. Smell good while repelling bugs. In this chapter, we explore a product that not only keeps those pesky insects at bay, but also ensures you smell fantastic while doing so. Coming in at number 4 is Grand Tongo Town and Jungle Protection Insect Repellent. This product has gained popularity for its dual benefits of effective insect repelling and pleasant fragrance. This repellent stands out for its commitment to using natural ingredients and its variety of pleasant scents. Imagine being able to enjoy the outdoors without the constant annoyance of bugs, all while smelling like a tropical paradise. If you're tired of bug sprays that smell like chemicals, Gran Tongo is a breath of fresh air. Many users have expressed their relief at finding a product that doesn't leave them smelling like a science experiment. Not only does it smell great, but it's also effective at repelling mosquitoes, ticks, and other biting insects. Whether you're hiking in the jungle or having a picnic in your backyard, this repellent has got you covered. We also love the eco-friendly packaging and the fact that the formula dries quickly on the skin. The packaging is made from recycled materials, making it a great choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Plus, the quick-drying formula means you can apply it and get on with your activities without feeling sticky or greasy. Chapter 5. Sawyer Premium. Permethrin insect repellent for clothing, gear and tents. Long-lasting protection for your gear. For number 5, we're switching gears a bit with Sawyer Premium Permethrin Insect Repellent. This repellent is designed specifically for use on clothing, gear and tents, providing long-lasting protection against ticks and mosquitoes. Simply spray it on your gear before heading out, and you'll be protected for days, even weeks. We love that it's scentless, so it won't interfere with the smell of your surroundings. Chapter 6. Sawyer Picaridin Insect Repellent Lotion. Gentle and effective protection in a convenient lotion. Next up at number 6 is Sawyer Picaridin Insect Repellent Lotion. This repellent offers a nice alternative to sprays with its easy-to-apply lotion formula. It's also DEET-Free, making it a good option for those with sensitive skin. We found that the lotion absorbed quickly and didn't leave our skin feeling greasy. Plus, the small tube is perfect for tossing in your purse or pocket. Chapter 7. Repel Sportsmen Max 40% and DEET. Maximum protection for the serious outdoorsman. Coming in at number 7 is Repel Sportsmen Max 40% DEET. This repellent is designed for serious outdoorsmen and women who need long-lasting protection in even the most extreme conditions. With its high concentration of DEET, it's incredibly effective against mosquitoes, ticks, and biting flies. Just be aware that it does have a strong DEET scent, and it can feel a bit greasy on the skin. Chapter 8. Off Deep Woods Insect Repellent 2-pack, a classic choice, but with a few drawbacks. At number 8, we have a classic choice Off Deep Woods Insect Repellent. This 2-pack is a great value and provides reliable protection against mosquitoes, ticks, and biting flies. It's a familiar scent that many people associate with spending time outdoors. However, we did find that the bottles can be a bit flimsy and prone to leaking. Despite that, it's still a decent option for its effectiveness. Chapter 9. Ben's Tick and Insect Repellent Heavy-Duty Protection with a Strong Scent. Coming in at number 9 is Ben's Tick and Insect Repellent. This repellent is another heavy-duty option that's effective against a wide range of biting insects. It's known for its long-lasting protection, making it a good choice for extended outdoor adventures. However, it does have a very strong chemical smell that some people might find overpowering. It's also quite thick, so it can be a bit messy to apply. Chapter 10. Sawyer SP 544 Premium Insect Repellent Quick Drying and Leak-Proof Protection. Rounding out our top 10 is Sawyer SP 544 Premium Insect Repellent. This repellent stands out for its quick-drying formula, which means you won't feel sticky or greasy after applying. It also features a double-locking lid, so you can be confident that it won't leak in your bag. It provides reliable protection against mosquitoes, ticks, and other biting insects, making it a great all-around choice. Chapter 11. Off Family Care Insect and Mosquito Repellent Spritz, pleasant-smelling protection for the whole family. At number 11, we have Off Family Care Insect and Mosquito Repellent Spritz. This repellent is designed with families in mind, offering a pleasant scent and a wide aerosol spray for easy application. It's effective against mosquitoes, ticks, and other biting insects. The fine mist application ensures even coverage, and the scent is a welcome departure from the harsh chemical smells of some other repellents. Choosing the right repellent for your next adventure. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect bug repellent for your needs. Remember, the best bug spray is the one that keeps you comfortable and bite-free. Consider your individual needs and preferences when making your choice. Are you looking for a DEET-free option? Do you need something long-lasting for a camping trip? Or maybe you're just looking for a pleasant-smelling repellent for everyday use. No matter what you're looking for, there's a bug repellent out there for you. Happy outdoor adventures!